at Urban Assembly Unison, the after-school students there, most of them are returning students. So last year they did a cookbook project, so they were doing a ton of recipe development, cooking, tasting in the farm. And they were doing that because they were having some growing issues with the farm itself. So to keep it hands-on, we did a lot of cooking. This year, their farm is producing beautifully, so to really lean into that, the students were excited about establishing a food distribution outlet that would serve their direct school community. So the students have designed marketing materials, they've done outreach, they pack and stamp bags of produce that they seed, transplant, and harvest that goes directly to their teachers, to their peers and their families.
Recently, it has been about 5 or 6 people get called almost every Thursday to distribute plants.
Getting to interact with people and giving them fresh produce. And also, if we don't have any other customers, we go upstairs to give our produce to our teachers. So that's also fun.
And then on top of that, they were really excited about filming in the farm. So the students have launched TFFJ's inaugural TikTok channel and are creating their own content that shows off the farm, shows off the different things that we grow, and starting to foray into cooking recipe videos on there as well. Through coming into the farm, getting to work together on first the really tangible aspects of taking care of plants that we then eat together, builds a sense of community. When we layer on top of that the project element, I think we see that bond grow even stronger. And I think that's what we find to be the most powerful, and often what we're the most proud of at the end of the day, is that students see something, learn about it, and then take a step towards making a change.